So we are going to do something that we usually do at this time, which is the OSCON Open Source Awards. So if you were here last year, you remember that we changed it up a little bit, and we wanted to honor projects over individuals because projects are made up of lots of individuals. And so we've continued with that this year, and also it is voted by you, the conference attendee, or I suppose also if you're not here. So anyway, so the first, there's three. The first one is the Most Impact Award. It's a significant impact on how software is built. Breakout Project of the Year, which is a project that really became a tipping point and people stopped experimenting and started really using it. And then Lifetime Achievement Award, which I feel like speaks for itself.
Awesome.
So Kelsey, take it away.
Awesome. We're going to start with the Most Impact Award. The goal of this is a project that makes a big impact on our entire industry. So if you have ever set up a website, how many people have done this? Hopefully with an HTTPS certificate. You can keep your hand up if your HTTPS certificate is expired. There's a whole track for people like you. The Let's Encrypt project kind of represents how we can automate this in a way with open source software. And it's the first open source project that offers managed service. With that, let's give a warm round of applause to Let's Encrypt and Sarah and Julian to accept their award.
Congratulations. All right, thank you.
Don't mind our open source award selfies, just go by. The next award goes to the Breakout Project of the Year. Now, how many of you have written Java? That's a lot of pain and sorrow in the audience. Kotlin's attempt to make this better has been a huge success. A modern syntax on top of the JVM, making it much easier to build robust applications, and even did a great job in improving the experience for mobile. With that, we want to give a big round of welcome for the Breakout Project of the Year and announce Roman to accept the award.
Thank you.
All right, so the next award takes a lifetime to earn. If you've ever used a database, a good database, you'll be very familiar with the Postgres database. How many people have experience with Postgres? Make some noise. Over its lifetime, Postgres has become the default open source database for a lot of people, even in the commercial sense. With that, I think we have half of the Postgres team here to accept the award. Let's give a big round of welcome for Mark, Bruce, and Christoph.
Come on up, guys. Thank you. And so we have one more award, last but not least. It's an award that we've been giving out for a long time. It's something that the Python Software Foundation and O'Reilly work together to give out each year at OSCON. It's named the Frank Willison Award, and that is named after an editor that worked at O'Reilly a long time ago who was like, Python's going to be a big deal. And apparently everyone was like, come on. And so turns out he was right. So we like to remember him this way each year. So this year, for contributions to Jupyter and being a core developer for Python, being a part of the steering committee, I'd like to have Carol Willing join me up here on stage and accept the award. Thank you. Congratulations.